Hey, good morning. I want to talk about or afternoon, evening, wherever you are at, and what time, depending what time you're at, depending where you're at, is the time that you're going to be listening to this. I want to talk about losing weight. If you want to lose weight, do these 3 things, okay? That is, 1, track everything you eat. Because if you don't track everything you eat, you're going to get frustrated because you're not going to lose weight. You need to track it. You need to weigh everything. And portion them out, right? Because you set up macros, and those macros that you set up have a certain percentage, like maybe like 50% carbohydrates, 30% protein, and 20% fat, right? So on your plate, it has to look that way, right? Like 50% carbs, 30% protein, 20% fat. You know, that might be like black beans, some salmon, and a little bit of, say, avocado, right? And then you have a little bowl of salad. The salad, it's good vitamins, but they're more like a filler, okay? The vegetables are more like a filler, but they have essential vitamins. They also have fiber in there. Hi, Alyssa. Welcome. And that's what you have to do. Track everything so you know what's going in, what you're eating, and you don't get frustrated and you're like, I'm not losing weight. But it's because you're not tracking it. You're not weighing it. So you'll need a scale for this, a food scale, and you need some Tupperware. You go buy that all on Amazon. It's really not that expensive. Or if there's a store next to you, you'll probably go buy it at a grocery store. Okay. Number 2, set a time schedule to eat. Right? Set a time schedule and commit to that time schedule. Trust me, it works miracles. Trust me. Like, say, for example, this is what I would do right now. This is what I'm doing right now. Okay. And I'm maintaining my weight, but I could lose weight by taking out like some carbs from one of my meals and just replacing it with veggies. Right? Okay. So I eat at 6-7 a.m. an hour after I wake up, because I get ready, I shower and things like that. So 6-7 a.m. That's the time I eat. Then I eat after my workout, 2 scoops of whey protein and an apple. Right after I work out, that's around 11. Like right now, I just finished the workout actually. So 11, and then I eat again around 2 o'clock. Around 2 to 3 o'clock, I eat again. I have another meal, and then my next meal is at 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, depending, right? Yeah, that's it. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 meals a day. Sometimes I get a snack in between when I like, I don't know. Sometimes I crave something, so I eat an apple. I eat an apple because I crave a little sweet or something like that. And thanks, Alyssa. Thank you for your comment. And so that's what I do, right? That's my task schedule, and I'm committed to that schedule now because I just eat the same thing over and over and over and over and over. And if I want to switch something up, I just switch up the carbs, make sure it's like very similar in caloric intake, right? And macros. If you look at the carbs, they all have their like similar amount of macronutrients. Like rice and sweet potato, they're almost identical, right? But I prefer the sweet potato over the rice. That's just me. Brown rice over sweet potato, white rice over sweet potato, etc., right? You can choose. Number 3. So I'm going on to number 3 now. Oh yeah. Do cardio 2 times a week minimum. That's 30 minutes to 45 minutes steady state cardio, or you could do HIIT, which is high intensity interval training. You could do up to 15 rounds. Do 15 rounds. Go really, really fast for 1 minute. And then go down, rest for 30 to 40 seconds. Okay? Do that, and you will keep a lean body. I have a lean body. This is exactly what I do. I'm telling you exactly what I do to maintain my body. I'm at 13% body fat. I'm a 28-year-old male, and I have muscle, and I'm getting leaner, building muscle as well. So this is what I'm doing. If you're a woman, you can still do this. Know your macros, know your caloric intake. You're gonna thrive, right? So you can look at my other social media posts, blogs. I break down macros there. So if you want to look at my how to learn your how to implement and find your macronutrients, go to my blog, howtoloseweightandbuildmuscle.com. That's howtoloseweightandbuildmuscle.com. Check it out. Go to howtoloseweightandbuildmuscle.com. Right there, you can find it. There's like various articles that I use or that I wrote and that tell you the formula, because you never know who's coming on and don't know the formula, so they got to go check it out. So go to howtoloseweightandbuildmuscle.com. That's howtoloseweightandbuildmuscle.com. So yeah, do cardio at least 2 times a week. At most, I'd say 5, okay? At 5. Now, know that doing all of this, these 3 steps, is a habit. It's a habit, okay? For example, when I started doing all this, I committed, right? I committed, and it was all new to me. It was like, man, I got to go work out, I have to weigh all this stuff. But I was committed. Even though it was like new to me, I was committed. I didn't have no other option to be like, to even think about like a discomfort. Like, oh, now I got to work train. Now I got to meal prep. Now I got to weigh. Like, to me, it was like that. But I don't know if you're like kind of like on the fence about it. Like, I don't know. You know what I mean? It's okay. It's normal, right? Because you're breaking habits, old habits. Let me get a drink of this water. Right? And so let me give you an example, right? An example. When we're growing up, maybe when you were little, for me, I didn't like brushing my teeth when I was little. I can actually think about this. I wasn't going to tell a story, but when I was little, I kind of didn't like brushing my teeth. I didn't make it a habit, I think, or it wasn't a habit yet, right? But now, everybody, if you're an adult, you brush your teeth every single day. You brush your teeth, you floss, and you rinse with mouthwash, right? You don't even think about it. Like, oh, it's time to go to sleep. All right, now it's time for me to go do this, right? Which is brush your teeth, clean your teeth. It's a habit. It's a habit. So now you gotta make that. You gotta turn that. You gotta turn training and eating healthy into a habit. You gotta make that a habit for you. Then it becomes second nature. So when you wake up, you're like, okay, I gotta go to the gym and train. You don't even gotta think about it. You just get up, brush your teeth, go to the gym, because you made it a habit. Just like brushing your teeth. So being healthy becomes a habit. And if you're not there yet, it's okay. You gotta make it a habit. Okay. Hey, Ceci, how are you? Thank you for coming on my live. I'm talking about how to lose weight and doing these 3 things. So that's an example of how things become habits. Brushing your teeth becomes a habit, right? When you start when you're young, and then you get older, and then you don't even think about it. You wake up, brush your teeth. So this is what you got to do to lifting weights and eating healthy. You just got to keep doing it so it becomes second nature, and you're just going to be healthy. You're just going to look great and be healthy, feel great, have energy every single day. So that's how it starts. Yeah, so I hope you got a lot of value from this. You got a lot of information. You can apply it. I'm going to go over them again real quick. So 1, track everything. You don't want to get frustrated and say, why am I not losing weight? The answer is probably because you're not tracking it. You're not tracking it correctly. To track everything, meal prep, buy Tupperwares, buy a food scale, and track it, okay? You don't want to do this forever. It's just when you want to make sure that you're dropping some weight, okay? Later, portion them. Later on, you could be doing intuitive like measuring. Portion it. Your macros, 50% carbs, 30% protein, and 20% fat. That's an example. That's how your plate should look. That's how your plate should look based on your macros and its ratio. 2, set a time to eat. Set a time schedule. Right? For me, it was 7, 11, 2 o'clock, and then 8 o'clock. And then I'll probably snack somewhere in between if I get hungry. And I'll just eat 1 apple. And 3, do cardio at least 2 times a week. Do 30 to 45 minutes. of steady state cardio, or do 2 HIIT cardios up to 15 fast HIIT sessions. Okay, do those 3 things and you will lose weight. You will begin to lose weight. And if you want me to help you create a customized program for you with your macros, your weight, and what your goals are, let me know. And if you want to build muscle as well, let me know. I'll give you a little program customized so that you get those results. And if you want to know how to create the formula of your macros and your calories, go to howtoloseweightandbuildmuscle.com. That's my blog. I have various articles there where I teach you how to find your macros and how to implement that. So that's howtoloseweightandbuildmuscle.com. howtoloseweightandbuildmuscle.com. Go check it out. And hope you enjoyed this live and the tips that I gave you. Let me know if you need some more help. Send me a DM. All right. Great morning, Ceci. I'll see you. Send me a DM if you need some help. Or you can ask me a question right now. All right, I'm gonna get going. Have a great day, everyone. Have a great afternoon or have a great evening. Bye.